In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Amazon Pay balance, providing, of course, that this feature is available in your country or region. For instance, those of you watching from India will find this service readily supported. Now, let's dive right in. First, whether you're using a smartphone or a computer, you'll want to open the Amazon app or head to the Amazon website. If you aren't logged in already, take a moment to sign in using your credentials. This is an essential step because, without being logged in, you won't be able to access your Amazon Pay balance. Once you're signed in, navigate to the menu. On the app, you'll typically see this as the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located at the top left or right corner of your screen. On the website, the menu is prominently displayed. Go ahead and click or tap on that menu and look for Amazon Pay. Sometimes you might find it labeled as Amazon Pay Balance or simply Wallet. Alternatively, if you prefer shortcuts, you can directly visit the link www.amazon.in/AmazonPay-Home. This will land you straight on the Amazon Pay homepage. Now that you've arrived at your Amazon Pay section, you're doing great. The next step is to spot an option that says Add Money or Add to Balance. It's usually quite visible, but take your time to ensure you don't miss it amidst other options or promotions. Once you've found that option, click or tap on it. You will now need to enter the amount of money you wish to add to your Amazon Pay balance. Consider what you might use this balance for, whether it's for convenient purchases or specific transactions, and enter the amount that suits your needs. Next comes the part where you'll choose your payment method. The options available might vary depending on your region, but you can generally select from a debit card, credit card, net banking, or even UPI if that's available to you. Be sure to pick the method you trust the most or find easiest for handling transactions. When you've selected your payment method, follow the prompts, which will guide you to complete the payment and authentication process. This might involve entering your card details or logging into your banking interface. Remember to be careful with your details and ensure you're on a secure page before entering any sensitive information. Once you've completed these steps and everything is successful, the money should reflect in your Amazon Pay balance promptly. This balance is then ready for you to use in making your future Amazon purchases smoother and faster. And there you have it. Adding money to your Amazon Pay balance is as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.